Wait, what? Okay, that count. Wait, I'm confused. Hey guys, Maximalista here for my 3-part wardrobe overhaul series, which will include me going through my entire wardrobe, getting rid of a bunch of stuff, and then replacing it with all this new stuff. I already recorded opening all of these packages, but although I had done a test run, I didn't realize my phone slipped. Part of my face is cut out for a lot of the video, but luckily you're here to see my clothes. I was waiting forever for all of these packages, and I didn't realize until I started opening them that one of them was missing, and the one I had is for a different upcoming haul video. But we just did it. I had waited already so long. I was being so good. It was killing me. And finally, it was like Christmas morning. I started opening them. Let's just open these and then we can look forward to even more packages in the future. This was something that I honestly don't even remember getting. And I feel like it's weird that I would have gotten. No. Kind of cute, like preppy. I don't know. I'm kind of confused about those. I guess I got them. Oh, wait. I don't think this one was what I thought it was. Okay. Yeah. I found a bunch. Oh, they have the tags on. Dude. Let's see if the other ones also have tags. Apparently, we weren't recording. Okay. Okay. Let's do this again. Cool. I seriously scored 1, 2, 3. Wait, what? Okay, that count. Wait, I'm confused. Oh, this one's not. 4 pairs of new Attica shorts. They're all kind of like biker short style. And I got this, what do they call that? Ash? I feel like I'm totally missing. Stonewash? Are these stonewash? They look perfect. It seems like they're going to like snatch the waist, make the booty look good. Another pair. Khaki, beige color. I'm just, I think I spent $14.99 on each of them. These are two-toned. These better fit.
Because my life depends on it at this point.
So freaking excited. Yes, this is a fall wardrobe. I just honestly haven't had good shorts in a while. I want to get rid of all those, which you'll see in one of the other parts. The last one, I guess it's not the last one. Again, new with tag, also Attica. Then this last one is Wild Fable. A little bit ripped in the front. Perfect kind of biker shorts. And you can see these don't look like as snatched on the waist. I think those Attica ones are going to be like fire. Okay, I'm gonna make sure we recorded that one this time. Otherwise, I'm gonna go crazy. At least I'll look good doing it. Next up, I was looking for like perfect kind of just pleated skirts. Oh, I looked up uniform ones and I went to FrenchToast.com. Let's get in there. Is it lit. Oh my god. Okay, damn. Yikes. Knew that they were gonna be like school kind of appropriate, although these are like adult ones. But oh my god, those are really long. Really long.
Damn.
I'm gonna open it. I'm keeping them. $15. I could probably get them hemmed. Sheesh. They are really long. They will be down to my knees. The dimensions of the picture did not make them look like this. Okay, TBD on those. I did get it in beige and black. Next up, from Nordstrom Rack. I should have, oh. Ha. If you don't have a pocket knife, get one. Let's get this open. Ah. These are really cute, kind of like yoga style joggers. Waist paneled, they've got cinch on the sides. Oh, they're Tahari. Dude, MSRP 88. What did I pay? $16.97.
Nordstrom Rack.
And the bottom is like this cinch kind of ankle. I think these are gonna be super cute. I wear casual pants a lot, and I just want to get rid of a lot of the ones I've been using for like years now. I live in kind of a rugged place, so things do get worn and dirty pretty easily. I'm so excited about these right off the bat. I did think they were brown, clearly like a purple maroon, which I'm not mad about. Purple is my favorite color. They are these North Face corduroy pants. Really love like unique pants. On to the next. This other one is something that I did actually get kind of a while ago, and I have been wearing, so you will see that they're dirty. I didn't even try to clean them for you. They are these Steve Madden Chelsea boots. And they did not come with this ombre sandy bottom. They are black leather, or I think they're leather, with this stretchy sock ankle. They're just so cute. Perfect little heel. I really like wearing things with a little heel, like even my sneakers or platforms. I've worn them a few times. I always wear them with some sort of higher sock like I would any boot, but they've been comfy so far, haven't hurt me. Yeah, that's a different video. I got a bunch of wigs from Shein. Super exciting. They're really exciting. Ugh. This huge box is from TJ Maxx. This one took quite a while to get here. I think it was because of the recent storms like on the East Coast. But anyway, finally have it. This is actually where I think my whole overhaul started, and then because it was taking so long, I got other things. But also I figured like you guys would enjoy seeing me get more, so I did it for you. That was kind of scary. I did it for you. So subscribe, please. Okay, cool. Just subscribe because you like me, not because you're scared that I'm threatening your life or anything. Because
we're friends, and you can watch and like maybe laugh, and then like me talking to myself by myself in my house isn't as weird because you're like choosing to like be with me. I don't know.
This box is full. Check this out. I love this because I don't even remember what I got anymore. I'll just pull out this first one, which I'm really excited about. This is so nice. This is a Jones & Company, Jones, New York sweater that comes with that underneath peek out like dress shirt, and it's actually satiny. I didn't even know that. I thought it was just like a cotton. Oh my goodness, it's thick. This is high quality. Getting this stuff is what makes me excited to like go through my wardrobe. I can't wait to just get rid of things and only have things accessible that are going to be like on point. It's gonna look so good, like effortlessly. Next up, I got this in a couple or a few. I got it in 2 or 3 colors. This one is Paul Costello. Really thick, again, high quality collared sweater. Got some stretch, it's warm. This is going to be adorable with either skinny jeans, those shorts, stockings, chunky boots. That is what I'm picturing. Oh, I also got other things like this strawberry cheesecake. Oh, delicious body lotion. It smells delicious. I'm going to smell delicious. My favorite lotions are like vanilla, just like sweet pastry dessert smelling, because I like to be like a dessert. That smells delicious. I don't love the ingredients, and I kind of knew that it wasn't like a great one. They say paraben-free, gluten-free, guilt-free. You know, I didn't need it to be pink, but I'm to use red 40, red 33, yellow. I don't like colorings, blue, 1. That is like one of my biggest things. It's like, dude, we don't need it to be pink. The natural color would have been cool. It's by Hemp's Treats. I don't really want to take this out. It's a green color of that shirt I just showed you before. And same, but different. Got this kind of rose mauve color. These are my colors right now and forever. Muted, kind of natural. I like all colors, but these seem to look really good on my skin. I am so curious. Oh, okay. I was seeing this. I'm like, what the hell did I get? Let me tell you. Amazing satiny trousers. It's by Band of Gypsies. They're wide leg. Yay! Again, love comfy pants that can look cute. All right, so next up, some black mom jeans. These are actually, this is gonna be, ooh, I don't think these are gonna fit. So the brand is We Wore What. MSRP is $158. I would never spend that on jeans. These do feel really good. They feel like high quality. I am so hoping they fit. They're just a perfect plain jean. They look like they're gonna be this really nice high waist, snatched waist jean. Ooh, cute. I've got this cable knit. Wait. Oh, I totally know what's going on. So the brand is Heartloom. This is a midi cable knit skirt. Please hold. With matching cable knit sweater top. They look really cute together. I love that look, but also they're perfect pieces like separately. So I just really wanted to sophisticate my wardrobe a little bit. Another oversized sweater. I love this. It's like a varsity sweater, like those stripes, and then this V-neck. It is Elan.
And the garment is a result of thorough research carried out by a successful team whose strength rises from a common thought made up of simple ideas growing and coming together in one dream, yours and ours.
That's very sweet. Really nice, like heavy, has some stretch to it, knit sweater. Oh, from here, I also got some shorts. These are like stretchy. They don't have front pockets. They have real back pockets. Also kind of a longer biker short type. I think these are gonna look really good. Form fitting. They're by 1822 denim. I do feel like this color, yeah. As soon as I looked at these, I'm like, oh, bleeding dye. Not as nice as the Attica shorts, but
Definitely a good addition to my short collection.
what? So I got this Bobbi Brown. Wait, Santa Bar. Okay, we need to open this. It says illuminating bronzing powder. I know I was looking at a blush and then an eyeshadow. Pretty cool because I thought it was a smaller palette. Santa Barbara sounds like the, yeah, bronzing powder. It's a blush. Definitely isn't gonna be like I thought. I won't be putting this over for a sun-kissed look. It does come out pretty highlightery. Shimmery kind of orange. Oh, I did not even realize that they were 7 jeans or leather pants. Am I having a stroke? 7 leather pants. 7 for all mankind. Leather pants. Okay. Now that we're past that, I think leather pants are just a great addition, especially for fall and winter. Hopefully the booty's gonna look great in those. Really excited to have a pair of leather pants. I think they could just be so sophisticated and sexy. Sorry, I am so nasally. It's like in my sinuses. I don't know what is going on, but it's annoying. This next piece is just for underskirts and dresses. Really like to have shorts underneath. That'll allow me to comfortably wear skirts and dresses and not care about any wind. Otherwise, I'm always self-conscious. Like I see other people just walking with their flowy dresses in the wind. I like hold that around me and to me, and it's all I can think about when I'm out.
So wearing shorts underneath changes everything.
Another Bobbi Brown, hoping it's a good color. I got this for eyeliner, you know, winged eyeliner with eyeshadow. It just never looks right on me with like liquid. It's so cute too, this like little panel. Great place to get stuff. Bobbi Brown is such a great brand. More makeup. There are more clothes coming up, so do not fear. I got this YSL, I don't even remember what it is, foundation stick. Oh. And this is just gonna be a perfect concealer stick for me is what I was thinking. We'll see. I will do a makeup look with this new stuff for you guys coming up soon. Ow! This has been a long one. I hope this video and audio has been good this whole time because I don't know about doing this again. Sweater knit joggers in this like oatmeal color, pockets, drawstring, like sweater for your legs. Love them. They're like seamless. I'll definitely be wearing these and like all the other pants with leggings underneath. That's what I love about some flowy pants because you can actually fit leggings underneath for the winter. Oh my god, I forgot I got this.
I love shopping maniacally.
I love it. It's awesome. Got this Kipling. Is it so cute? I love their brand. Are you kidding me? Puffy, sparkly patch. And then the little gorilla, which they always have. This gorilla is fuzzy. This retails at $54.
Which I would not spend.
Ah! So yeah, you have all your pens in there, and then you have this compartment here to hold stuff in. I love it so much. I forgot about these. They're white. They will get dirty and it will hurt me pretty quickly. Like, they're gonna be dirty soon. I'm taking it out. They've got dirt on them. They are these Juicy Couture sweatpants, jogger sweatpants, and they are thick. I love them. At the top on the front, yes, they have pockets. It has this. I just thought that was so cute. And these will just be really nice for casual wear. I can't wait to wear these. These are Superga. Whoa, what is this? As I mentioned, I love platform sneakers. These are pretty exaggerated. We'll see how they look. The bottom is very interesting. It literally looks like mold, like growing. Like, I had to check. That's weird. They just really help to dress anything up and again elevate my look while elevating me an inch or two. These J slides. These are a black platform. Wow, they have no grip on the bottom. They are like smooth. Like, I am falling in these. I like the lattice, like leather design there. I wanted to get shoes like they both kind of have the front all the way around. I have platform Converse, but I'm just really not digging anymore that the front is like white.
It makes them look like clown shoes.
And it makes outfits look weird, so I really wanted some nice looking plain platform sneakers. I might put like some grips on the bottom, honestly. They are so slippery, but Lucetta Rose Oil Leave-In Conditioner. I love rose oil. It resonates with me and it just seems to be really good for my skin. Now I'm gonna see for my hair with this leave-in conditioner. It just smells amazing and you feel so luxurious, like roses and well, I'm now surrounded by an absolute mess, but I am so excited about everything I got. It's time to switch out everything else in my wardrobe for all the new stuff that I got. So yeah, thanks for hanging out and opening packages with me today. Don't forget to watch the other parts. I'm not sure how I'm gonna do this. This is either part 1, 2, or 3. Really excited to show you guys how they look on. We will do, me, myself, and I, and all of my other personalities. We'll do a little fashion show, put some outfits together with this stuff. Thanks so much, guys. See you in the next one.